Welcome to our Top Point Automated Manufacturing Process Factory. We are going to walk you through our Top Point syringe automated manufacturing process in each step. After passing the air shower room, the automated process starts, then moves on to the injection step. From making the mold for the syringe parts, barrel, plunger, gasket, hub, and cap are made. In the printing step, scales and texts for each product are printed. It is designed so the barrel comes up through the feeder, automatically arrayed, and printed in order. In the assembly step, the manufactured parts each start from different lines, then assemble automatically. The gasket is assembled with the plunger, the barrel is assembled with the needle, and the two parts are assembled into one. These processes are done at the same time. The packaging step moves in order from vacuum foaming of the bottom packaging, supplying the products, printing the top packaging paper, sealing the blister film and paper, cutting, then finally to moving the package box. Products packaged and put in the box can be divided into before and after being sterilized. The sterilizer completely sterilizes the products in the box by inputting EO gas. Top Point will provide customized system and manufacturing lines good for each customer's needs and production site. We guarantee customer satisfaction and health for many people by leading the disposable medical devices field. Top Point.